Here we have the Ricoh Theta V. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to use this camera by itself through the smartphone app, and also learning how to export the pictures from the app to your smartphone's camera roll. Before we begin, I have one note on charging. You'll see to the left right here a couple different typical smartphone charging bricks. If you didn't know, these are rated at different amperages. This particular one, each port is rated at 2.4 amps, and in the case of this one, at 2 amps. If you have a charger that is charging too fast, such as this one, this camera actually won't charge at all. So it's important that you look at the manufacturer specification, the small fine print on these. You may need a magnifying glass to see it, but in there it will say the output 5 volts, 2.4 amps, 5 volts, 2 amps, which is the case of this one. So you need 2 amps or less to charge this. 1.5 amps is the appropriate rating for this particular camera. 2 amps works as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start our overview process. Okay, let's look into this camera. As you can see, we have the shutter button on front. This little hole here is a microphone. There's the front lens, the back lens. Of course, they both look the same. And then we have on the side 1, 2, 3 buttons: power, Wi-Fi, and mode. On the bottom, we have a tripod mount, we have a charging port, and then we have a microphone input. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So to turn it on, we're going to push and hold the power button, hold it for about 3 seconds. And as you can see, I held it too long and essentially turned it on and off. So let's push and hold for a second, and then it'll turn on. It's going to take about 10 seconds for it to turn on. Let's just wait for that to turn on, and we'll know when it's on because the icons will fill the screen. Now that we can see the Wi-Fi and video icon, we know that the camera is fully on. Now let's go ahead and push these other buttons. Tapping the Wi-Fi button will turn that symbol off and on. And likewise, tapping the mode button will switch modes from camera to video. Let's leave it on camera. And to take a photo, all we do is click the shutter button. To take a video, we need to switch to the video mode, as indicated by this icon here. Click the button, and now we're recording a video. We have our record lamp. Now let's stop it. And that's how you operate this camera all by itself.